Hello everyone, myself Sujal Sanjay Patil and I am from Computer Science Department, and today I am here to present my ISE activity for our course, which is Flight Control and System, for which we have to create a simulation. In that simulation I have to fly a octocopter, so with the waypoints which are 112. So let's begin the process. First of all, we have to download the simulation firmware, for which we have to select the specific model as an octocopter. As you can see here, octa is displayed, and we have to select the multi-rotor. So our software will get downloaded for the simulation purpose. After completing this downloading process, so we automatically come to the data. So here you can see our drone has got visible. We just want to create a plan for a survey grid. So we will go here, and we want 112 point. So we will put the altitude as 81 and angle 265 with the camera Samsung S860, and we will click on accept. So here you can see our points are got generated. So we want only 112. So we will see, are there 112 or more than that or less than that. So here our points are exact 112. So we will write this plan. So it is loading. Then we will go to the data, and here we are going to perform the simulation. So first of all, we have to arm our drone. So first of all, we change our drone's mode to the loiter, and then arm, and then take off. So our drone is getting takeoff. So after some altitude as our drone got, so we will switch to the auto mode. So the drone will travel to the path we have defined. So here you can see our drone, and it is increasing its altitude and changing its angle. Here is the its speed, which is 11 meter per second, and now our drone is in auto mode. We can see here. So as you can see, our drone is following the path which we have defined in the survey grid. So here you can see our drone is connected to the 10 satellites. Our drone's altitude is around 80 meter. So we have to increase our speed of the simulation. For that purpose, we will go to the config, click OK. Then we have go to the sim speed up, in which we have to enter the value, which we will enter as 4, and click as right frames parameters, and click OK. Now in data you can see our drone is moving fast. Its altitude is around 81. Distance to waypoint is decreasing. As you can see, our drone speed is 10 meter per second, but the simulation we are performing, that speed is going to increase. I think we should increase our drone simulation speed little more. So in config, clicking OK. So here we can enter the value. We will enter 10 and click on the right parameters. So our simulation speed will get increased. So here you can see our drone speed is got increased up only simulation, not the actual drone speed. So this process may take so long time. So I will fast forward this video. So now we will see the another mode, which is guided mode. So you can see here, we can how this mode actually works. You should see. Now I put the drone from auto to guided mode and set the mode. Now you can see here is the guided mode, and our drone is set here. So we will click to the next point where the drone has to fly there. So we will right click on the specific point and click on the fly to here. Now you can see the drone will only fly to that point particular and stops. Now I click on this next point, I right click and then click on fly to here. Now you can see the drone will fly here. In this way the guided mode works. Now if I put this on auto mode, the drone will fly. As you can see, I put the guided mode and I switch in between the path to the auto mode. So drone fly to the point earlier where the waypoint is set, and then it travels through its part which we have set is survey mode. I think we should increase the speed of simulation. So here we go. As you can see now our drone is in auto mode and it is flying at altitude 80 with speed 10 meter per second, and it fluctuates the speed where it got turned through one point to another point by turning in left or right direction. As you can see here, the drone will decrease speed from 10 meter to 9 to 3 meter per second. As you can see, our drone is moving towards the some for last some few points, waypoints which we have defined. So we will decrease our speed of the simulation. As you can see, our drone speed is decreased. We have changed that setting from the config in sim speed. Now, after the point reached to the last point which we have defined, the drone should reach to the position where we had launched our drone from here. So for that purpose, we have to switch the mode from auto to RTL. So let our drone go to the last point. Now then we will set the drone in the RTL mode, which is return to launch mode. As you can see, our last two waypoints are remaining. So our last point drone is coming. Now we will switch this to the RTL mode. So the drone will go to the location from where we had launched it. Now we have switched to RTL mode. So the drone turns toward the point where the drone has came from. Here you can see the RTL mode is turned on. So it is moving towards the location from where we had launched the drone. Here it is moving towards the direction of the home location. Return to launch point. Also, I forgot to show that when we connect our simulation, our drone will get auto connected. When it is connected, it show disconnect option. When it is not connected, it show connect option. Now our drone is coming to the point from where we had launched by it. As you can see, our drone is coming to the home location. Now it will decrease its altitude, so we can see it here. So as you can see, the drone is decreasing its altitude. Here you can see it is decreasing its altitude. The value is showing here in meter. After landing the drones successfully, our drone will automatically get disarmed. As you can see, our drone is reaching towards the ground position. It is decreasing its altitude. Now automatically it will get disarmed. So it is reached at ground position and it has got disarmed. As you can see here, our simulation has got completed. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.